Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Have you ever had a workstation or a charging area look like this? Well, that's why I like this Hercules Tuff charging station so much. It helps to keep me organized. But let me tell you about some of the things that I really like about it. Now, as you can see, this charging station has 6 different ports for your devices. But yet it has short cords that comes with it that keeps things organized and clutter-free. It has several different dividers that are easy to put on or take off. It has a light that turns on, LED light, so that way when you are charging something, it lights up and lets you know that that device is charging. And this holds several different sizes of tablets, even if you want a laptop. It comes with 6 different cables that is mostly for Apple devices. But say if you have a tablet, like a Samsung or some other kind of tablet, whatever charging device that you have, if it has a USB port, then you can plug it in and connect it to your device. So if you're looking for a charging station that's going to keep you decluttered and organized, definitely give this one a try. And that is just my point of view.